What is up, Florida Outdoors people? Welcome back to the Florida Outdoorsman channel. As you can see, it is darker than can be outside, but we're going on an adventure. We're in the Silver Bullet. We got fishing rods and we're heading south. So you know that means one of only two things. Either we're going to the Keys, which I'm not doing because that's a long drive, or two, we're going to Alligator Alley and do some peacock fishing. We're gonna have us some fun, guys. Got about a 2-hour drive ahead of us. It's early, I'm tired. I got my monster around here somewhere. Here it is. And yeah, it's gonna be a good old time. Hope you guys like, share, subscribe, and enjoy this adventure, guys. I'm tired. I'm ready to get on the road. See ya. Sorry about the camera angle, y'all. I just didn't have a better place to set you up at. So we hooked it. Let's see if it's still on. Nope. Got off. Shoot. All right, so some context for that last clip. I had hooked the fish, thought I was rolling, wasn't rolling, opened the bail, turned the camera on, and by the time I did that, the fish had gotten off. So it was a nice sized male peacock, but you live and you learn. All right, let's get back to it. Let's go move to a different spot. That sucks. It was a nice one too. All right, we're not gonna give up. It's still early in the day. Let's go have us some fun. Look at the little otter. Oh, man. Well, that was an otter fail. I don't know if you guys actually saw it, but there was a little otter carrying a pleco. This trip is going well. Trip going real well. Every spot I go to, everyone's in. I'm having fun. I'm having a lot of fun. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go see if I can find that otter now, because that's the best content I got. See you guys. All right, trust me, I'm not happy about the angles either today, but we got, I don't know, at least something to play with down here. Just trying to antagonize these dead fish. And now, enjoy this long section of me trying to hook these bedfish. We snagged it at least. Beautiful Mayan cichlid. Invasive species, so we can't throw it back. So I hear they're good to eat. I'm pretty sure we've eaten one on the channel before. I keep dropping it. So yeah, can't throw them back. Beautiful fish. Look at that false eye right there. Hey, that took a lot of work. We at least finally got him. So, all right, let's see if we can't find some peacock now, because that was the whole main reason of coming down here. Well, there was a peacock bass sitting there. Peacock bass sitting right down here. Well, it was a second ago. I'll turn you guys back on if I see anything. Alright, so there is a peacock over there. Oh, come on, son, don't do this to me now, please. Oh, the sun is killing me right now. It had to go behind a cloud now. I see peacocks down there, but and I can't see where they're at. See them down there and they're hitting it. It's just a matter of getting them to stay pinned. This weedless setup is not helping me. Well, we've gotten them fired up at least. They want it. It's just a matter of presenting it to them. The sun keeps going away at the worst possible times. It's the same thing we have with the Mayan cichlids. I'm just getting them fired up, just on their bed. I think it's the bed. Or just having a reactionary bite. Work with me a little bit here. Got him. Got one finally. Oh, we're gonna baby this one in. Alright, well, you got it on camera that I hooked one at least. Alright, I'll turn you guys on when the sun comes back or if I have something to show. Got him. Got him that time. Got him that time. We are playing this fish so gently that what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach down and grab it. There's no boat flipping. I need a video for this week. Not even hooked in the mouth. Oh, thank you. We finally got a peacock, guys. Beautiful. Probably female. But a beautiful fish nonetheless. Oh, thank goodness, finally. I don't care. This fish is going right back here in a second. We probably scared off everything else. But beautiful, beautiful peacock bass. Alright, we're gonna put her back real gently. One kiss goodbye. Don't tell Maya. Thank goodness, finally. We got one. I have been fighting to get a fish all day long, guys. Everywhere I go down here, somebody else is trying to fish. Somebody else is trying to fish it. Somebody else is already there. Hey, we finally got a peacock bass at least. Alright. I'm gonna stay here for a second. And I'll update you if anything else happens. I will say, as a little side tangent, guys, next time we come out here, we're doing the full live bait extravaganza, because we can do jigs and jigs work, but I'm definitely coming back with live bait just in case. I think I said that the first time that we came down here, that I would do it the next time, and the next time after that was like winter time, I think. So, but then again, every time I do this, I'm like, I'm not coming back for a long time. And then it's a spur of the moment trip where I'm like, it sucks offshore. Let's go peacock fishing. Actually, the original plan was spear fishing today, but some plans changed, so I ended up coming to the Fort Lauderdale area this morning, and I figured let's do some peacock fishing since we're right here. But yeah, this sun is not my friend. I didn't wear contacts, so it's even harder for me to see, but at least I got the polarized glasses. But yeah, I've rambled long enough. I'll update you guys with some more fishing. If not, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, y'all, so we are in the car. As you can see, we are about to head out. Was it the greatest day of peacock fishing? No. Who would have thought it would have been this packed on a Tuesday at like 8 o'clock in the morning? That's weird. But it is starting to cloud up. They are calling for thunderstorms, and this sun just isn't working for me. But basically, the sun just isn't working with me, and basically all I really wanted to do was just sight cast for these things because they are so cool. I may come back with the fly rod as well next time I come down here, because hooking one on fly, I think that would be pretty fun. So let me know if that seems like a good idea to you guys. Let me know if you made it this far into the video. I think this is a pretty good video. I think you know, we had some fun with some invasive species. One that Florida wants, which is the peacock bass, and one that Florida doesn't want, which is the Mayan cichlid. So yeah, they're okay with us throwing back the peacocks, but not the Mayan. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it, guys. I think I've rambled long enough. I am starving. I've been up since 4:30 this morning, and yeah, I got nothing else for you. So always remember, if you ain't wet, you ain't fishing in Florida. See you guys. Oh man, guys, I got my hat wet.